Hello and welcome to another Budget and Leggett video. Now, this is going to be a video response to two people, and it's like Igor said, you know, to get the community, to get people to watch other YouTube channels, and, you know, to get other people up. So, this original video was from the Gerbo3340. Sorry, I've got a sore throat. And then Igor did a response video, and I'm doing my response video, and it's your top 5 diagnostic tools or top 5 tools sorted. So what do you think mine's going to be? Pause it here now and put your comments down below. You might be surprised. So what do you think they're going to be? Have you guessed right? Are you thinking I'm going to pull out 10, 20, 30 grand's worth of tools and just go absolutely all out on it? You're going to be surprised. Yes, expensive tools make your life easier. But what would I consider before you do anything to actually do? There's a few things I've shown in a lot of my videos. The first tool is your eyes. Very important. Visual inspections. Forget about bringing out wiring diagrams and doing all this, spending thousands on stuff. A lot of the time, not all the time, but a lot of the time, visual inspection can cause you so much. Well, it can help you so much, sorry, because it can save you so many hours. The latest video I did, or the latest video series I did, visual inspection did it all for me, and it's absolutely amazing. So what's next? Number 2 is your hands. Again, a fantastic tool. You know, your hands can do so much. When you're used to something, you know if a bolt's going to break, you can kind of feel it. If you're taking something out, you know, like an injector, you don't want to break it inside, or a heater plug or anything like that, your hands can save you an absolute fortune. Because think about it. You know, if you break something because, you know, you just went, you know, too quick on it, or, you know, you was inexperienced or something like that, you can cause yourself hours upon hours of work and thousands of pounds worth of damage, depending on what you've done. So, am I surprising you yet? Do you think I was just going to come out with really expensive tools? No, absolutely shocked you. I know I have. Also, what's my third one? Your brain. Now, I don't have a brain, as most people on YouTube that watch me realize that. But if you do, your brain, again, is the best diagnostic tool you can actually have. Because think about it. You know, you have 5 or 6 error codes. If you think about it logically, you can kind of work out which are the most important ones. Just because you've got 5 error codes doesn't mean, you know, only one of them error codes could be stopping the vehicle from starting, for example. So your brain, experience, all that type of stuff, it's amazing what it can actually do. And if you just step back, think about it logically, and don't look at the big picture, take everything one step at a time. And what I mean is, you know, you've got 5 error codes, forget the 5 error codes, take 1 error code at a time. Most of the times when you've got more than 1 error code, they're all linked together. So you think, oh, I've got 5 error codes, I don't know what to do. Think about it, just relax. And, you know, you technically might only have 1 error code. So, what's my number 4? Right, so number 4. Well, what is it? It's your gob, your mouth. And I've obviously got a fantastic mouth and a great gob. And what I mean by that is, ask for help. Don't be afraid of asking for help. You know, there's loads of people you might know. There's loads of videos on YouTube. And if you are stuck, because let's face it, we all get stuck. No matter who we are, no matter what you think about someone's skills, whether it's mechanical, whether it's diagnostic, doesn't matter. I guarantee you they do have to ask people for help. And don't be afraid of it. Your mouth can do wonders. You might know somebody with the same vehicle. They might have a similar issue, and you can ask them. You can go online. You can actually see and, you know, type it in. And again, you know, someone might have had the same issue. You can't always go off that, so do be careful. You can have 10 cars exactly the same with the same fault and have 10 different problems. But your mouth can help you. So all these stuff I'm showing you is technically free. Now, yes, you do need tools, don't get me wrong, but a lot of the stuff you can actually do with very simple things, like I said, and they're free. What more do you want? And I know people was just going to automatically assume I was just going to get out thousands of pounds worth of tools and give me so much grief in the comments, because I always get it. Like, oh, we don't have this, we don't have these expensive tools, we don't... Blah, blah, blah. I'm not showing you any tools. I'm showing you how to do stuff for free. So there we go. But what's my number 5? Sorted. Well, my number 5, you might have guessed it by now. It's watching me on YouTube. There you go. That'll solve all your problems, people. Right, obviously, YouTube is the thing. YouTube is absolutely brilliant. You can, the people I have met and the people I know because of YouTube is phenomenal all the way around the world. You know, there is special, we have special groups, you know, that we chat to each other, we ask each other questions, we help each other out and all sorts, and it's fantastic, absolutely brilliant. And a lot of the times when you're coming across problems, there might be a video on YouTube and you can actually follow the video and, you know, maybe come to the problem quite quickly. Like if you've got a broken wire, most cars break wires in certain positions. So you might see someone and they found a wire broken, say, underneath the battery. So you might just go straight there and you might find the broken wire in exactly the same place because, like I said, most cars break wires in the same place. So it's absolutely fantastic. There are free resources on YouTube. And when people spend, you know, hours upon days upon years of making video content, free video content for people, it's absolutely amazing. So there's my 5 top tools, and I bet I have surprised a lot of people. And I'm going to put both links down in the video description to Gerber's channel and to Igor's channel. Go and check their 5 tools out as well. You know, show them some love, show them support, tell them I sent you. And like I said, it's a big community. The more videos we can get out there of all different problems, the easier it's going to be for not just the normal people, it's for people like me as well. And don't let anyone say they don't ask for help, because they are lying. Absolutely lying. You might think, you might have someone that you watch on YouTube and you think they're absolutely brilliant, and they might be brilliant, but I guarantee you they still ask for help no matter who they are. So don't be afraid. Take them 5 free things that I have said to you, and I guarantee you, you will make your life so much easier. So as always, I hope it helps. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, links up here, links down below. But most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted!